lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally This Year's TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own leave-in conditioner for a fast hair growth. Yes, this recipe that I'm coming to show you is so simple and easy to do at home to grow your natural hair fast. You can also apply it to your relaxed hair as well. Alright, but before we get into the video, if today is your first time watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. And already my subscribers say thank you for returning to my video. Now let's get into the video. So what we have here, these are my own Ayurvedic home ingredient I have here. I have, this is fenugreek. Yes, fenugreek water. And you know, fenugreek is not only killing the bacterials and the fungi present on your scalp, but strengthening the hair follicles and promote hair growth. It also makes the hair shiny and silky. So if you have this in your hair, these are the benefits that you get from applying it into your hair and your scalp. And what we have here is rice water. Yes, rice water, we know the amino acid that is present in the rice water in particular helps in regenerating of hair and aid faster growth of your hair. Also, rice water contains vitamin B, C, and E, which further helps in hair growth. Okay, so the next step is I have my aloe vera gel. Yes, I'll leave the link in the description down below how to make your own aloe vera gel, how to make rice water, and how to make the fenugreek, all of them. And you know, aloe vera, the benefits of it contains something called proteolytic enzyme, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itchy scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. So you see the main reason why these three ingredients are very perfect for your leave-in or leaving it in your hair. Alright, so now before wasting much time, let's get into the video. So I have my spray bottle here. I'm going ahead to measure. I'll be needing a funnel here. That's my funnel. So I'm going ahead to be measuring what I have here. That's 1 spoonful. That's for one use, like one spritz in your hair. 2. So I'll go ahead, take my rice water, then the next ingredient I'm going to use here is my fenugreek. I'm also going to measure. Yes, we need the rice water much so that it will promote much hair growth in our hair. Alright, so the next ingredient that I'm going to use here right now is my homemade oils, the mixed oils that we made. That's what I have. So this leave-in conditioner that I have here is so great to condition your hair for the whole day and even for the next 2 days. Don't forget, after applying it, you moisturize your hair with shea butter and the oil mix that I made a video on. Yes, so now we've come to the end of the video. If you're interested in my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you learn how to grow your hair so much faster and longer. All right, thanks for watching.